Hi, today we want to model a pipe cross-fitting. It's a part which can be used to divide fluid in three different pipes. If you want to learn how to model it, stay with me. I'm Irfan and welcome to Prime Engineering channel. This is a drawing of our part. You can download it with the link in the description. Let's get to work. Start mechanical design, part design. Change the name here. Select XY plane and go to Sketch. Draw a circle. Use the constraint to define diameter. Double-click on it to change it. Exit the sketch. I select Pad. Total length should be 60. I enter 30, but mirrored extent should be on. I select YZ plane and exact same process again. I should make my fillets exactly at this step to have a uniform thickness after using the shell tool. I select shell tool. In faces to remove, I select inlets and outlets. For thickness, I enter 3 millimeters. Before we go for the stiffeners, if you like this video, make sure you like and subscribe and leave me a comment. ZX plane, sketch, and I need to draw just a simple line. But the important thing is that the 2 points of the line should be exactly on the cylinders. Right click, I select stiffener tool. Make sure your sketch is selected. For the thickness, I enter 1.5. To repeat this object around an axis, I use circular pattern. For the object, I select stiffener. And for the reference element, just right click on it and select Y-axis. In parameters, I select complete crown and instances should be 4. It's done. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.